Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be making my own indie game. So this game will be basically a pizza making game where we will make some tasty pizzas or even burn it sometimes. The setup will look like in the starting as a beggar's hotel, but slowly we can develop it into an awesome empire. The game will be made in pixel art and Python because Python is my favorite language and pixel art is the thing which is very easy to do. So I also want to make this thing for some experience, and you can suggest any names or features for this game in the comment section. I would love to hear that. I hopped on my Visual Studio Code editor and started making a robust program. The robust program will help me to add and remove stuffs very quickly. The program is written in pygame, as you can see. It is just a basic program just handling some events. Now what's the point of a pizza game if you don't have some pizzas? So with absolute zero pizza making skills, or I should say pixel art skills, I just made some crappy little pizzas that will just do fine for now. Now I'm loading them in a sprite sheets, as you can see in the background whatever I am writing. These sprites will help in the memory optimization and will do a lot of work because I don't have to load every pizza sprite every single time. There is no direct function for loading all of them as a sprite sheet, so I have to write my own function. I also made some basic accessories like the table, which is extremely dirty because I wanted to make that feel that you need to upgrade your table. So just make some pizzas and upgrade it. In the between, I also watched some YouTube videos just for making my mood fresh because of the extremely doing a lot of pixel art and coding. Now I'm just writing some basic functions that will help in the future for some movement and interactivity in the game. After that, I started making some cheese, and oh god, making cheese is so hard, I didn't know that. I also made a blob of red color that will act as a meat just for, or some toppings just as an accessory. I don't know what the heck I was making that time. I was extremely frustrated. I also didn't know that why I made a pan, because pizzas are not made in a pan. And after doing all of things, when I was chilling around, then I thought that why the heck I've placed a pan and cooking pizzas in pan. So just like that, and you can see in here I'm trying to cook the pizza by adding some stuff. It is kind of looking very ugly, but just wait for few more devlogs and it will be extremely useful. Now the particle system is also going crazy, boom boom, but after some times I will fix it. So this is the basic kind of demo for the game till now. I know the animations are not so perfect till now, but like just wait for a minute because my annual exams are also approaching and knocking at my door, and for more few devlogs it will be nice, and after some times it will look pretty good. So please subscribe my channel to continue watching this devlog and support me. Also you can like give some comments.